Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the Trucker John Show. Today is Tuesday, November 26, 2019, and it is 9:38 at night. Got a call late this afternoon. I needed a truck to haul some magnets down to Huntsville, Alabama, picking up tomorrow, Wednesday, the 27th, and delivering Friday, the 29th. So I've been at home since Sunday evening. Not much luck finding anything to do, so I decided to go ahead and take it. And this will be the first time in many years I've been on the road for Thanksgiving. But I did bring my Thanksgiving meal with me, so we'll see that on Thursday. Yeah, because I had ordered a small honey-baked ham and the honey-baked turkey breast from the honey-baked ham store. So I have that. I have some of that, not all of that. I have some of that in the truck with me. I just have the turkey, potatoes, some stuffing, and some broccoli. So I'm going to have a Thanksgiving dinner on the road. I know some of the truck stops have buffets on Thanksgiving, but probably the stuff I bring is going to be better than theirs. I don't know. Depends on what truck stop, I guess. Some of them are pretty good out here. But if I would have known that I was going to be doing this load, Landstar was offering to pay for a meal at the Ttjs or Petro on Thanksgiving Day, the Thanksgiving Day buffet, but you had to register it by the 25th at 4 p.m. so I kind of missed that. But that's alright, that's fine. So yeah, so we're on our way up to Latham, New York, so we can get a 10-hour break in and get loaded tomorrow. And then we'll be on our way down to Huntsville. I was thinking about just staying home all week and maybe going and having Thanksgiving with some family downstate, but kind of need to get the revenue, keep it coming in, whatever. We just got through the toll barrier here off the New York State Thruway. Getting on to 87 North here, we got to go up to exit 6, so we're almost there. So this has kind of been a pain in the ass. That load didn't go on Sunday. Kind of really kind of messed up my plans quite a bit, but not much you can do, really. What are you going to do? Yep, it's frustrating and inconvenient. Not to mention a loss of revenue. It is what it is. Nothing much you can do about it.
Keep left.
Alright, well, we just got off our exit here in Latham. Yeah, this area right here has a lot of different little businesses and companies down through here, right along the back side of the airport here.
Turn right.
Yep, shoot, we're a mile away now.
In 1/2 mile, turn right.
Yeah, they were just saying on the news earlier that they're supposed to get some pretty high winds up through here.
1/4 mile, turn right.
Tomorrow night, Wednesday night into Thanksgiving morning. I think it's going to be that storm system that's coming across the country is supposed to dump some rain up through here and maybe a little bit of snow on the back end.
Turn right.
I think the biggest problem they said is going to be the wind, though. They were worried about power outages, stuff like that. Wouldn't that stink? Get up at 6 in the morning and put your turkey in the oven, and you got an electric oven and the power's out, and that ain't gonna work too good, is it? Alrighty.
Arriving at destination on left.
We are here. Well, let's hope that this time we have better luck. Alright, well, I'm here, I'm parked. When I first came in, there was a truck in the parking spot. There's only like one truck parking spot here. And there's another Landstar, and I talked to him for a little while. He was just finishing up his break and he left, so I'm right in the truck parking spot now, which is a good deal. And that's about it. So, yeah, so we're going to be on the road Thanksgiving. Anyway, it is what it is. And not much I can do about it now because I committed to the load. So anyway, like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and we'll see you next time.